Discoverers!
And Wanderers!
This is Nico!
And Joanne!
For today's video, samahan nyo kaming mamasyal sa mga sikat na Kdrama spots
Around Nami Island and the Garden of the Morning Come.
Let's go!
1, 2, 3, 4.
We arrived early at Gapyeong station that day. And that is because mamamasyal tayo sa isa sa mga pinakasikat na tourist destination sa South Korea. And I'm very excited to see and experience the beautiful island of Namisan. It is located in the Gangwon province, and there are two ways to go to the island. And Nico and I decided to take both ways, pero magkahiwalay. I've decided to take the boat ride, which is the most common and convenient way to go to the island. We paid 16,000 Korean won per pax pala, Wanderers. Pwede rin pala kayong mag-avail ng whole day tour if you're planning to visit Nami Island. But we decided to do another DIY tour. Mas comfortable kasi kami na hawak namin yung time namin. And if you're also planning to do a DIY Nami tour, we advise that you do a research of the schedule of the buses kasi medyo matagal yung mga intervals nila. Tara, sakay na tayo! And here is how it looks like pagpasok mo sa loob. Maraming mga tables and chairs where you can lounge and enjoy the scenic view during the boat ride. It will only take 10 minutes from the port going to Nami Island. Gusto nyo bang malaman yung isa pang way going to Namisan? If you're more of an adventurous type like Nico, you will like this one.
Another way to get to the island is to take the zipline. It costs 49,900 Korean won. But the experience was priceless. And now we sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Let's go!
Sa wakas, we both landed safe and sound. Welcome to Nami Island, Wanderers! Alam nyo ba that it is a half-moon-shaped island in the middle of the Han River? And it stretches about 430,000 square meters. Ang laki pala! Tara, samahan nyo kami as we discover and wonder what Nami Island is all about. Alam nyo ba, Wanderers, na sobrang daming pwedeng gawin dito sa island? And you can easily spend the day lazing around and just appreciating the nature. This island offers stunning views all year round, most especially during autumn season. We visited pala mid-September kaya perfect na perfect yung weather. Nico and I enjoyed playing and wandering around the island. Napaka-romantic and very picturesque ng Namison. And we are very lucky to have visited early autumn. Meron pa kaming naabutan ng mga blooms at nagsistart pa lang magpalit ng mga kulay ang mga puno. And here are some of the most iconic spots to visit here in the island. This one is one of my favorites, the pine tree lane with floating lamps. Perfect pang Instagram. At nung napagod na si Nico sa pagpasan sa akin, I think it's time for lunch. Marami palang mga restaurants inside the island, but we chose to eat here. And we ordered the famous duck galbi, or also known as stir-fried chicken. At dahil nga gutom na ako, hinalo ko na siya kahit hindi pa yata pwede. At nung na-realize ko na parang may mali sa ginagawa ko, pinabayaan ko na yung server na mag-take over. At mukha namang naitama niya yung mga mali ko. Kain na tayo! After lunch, we continued lang our stroll. Ito pala yung bike lane dito sa island. But since hindi ako marunong magbike, hindi na rin kami nag-rent. We just continued wandering around while enjoying the river view. At isa pa to sa mga favorite spots ko. And may I say the most beautiful place here in the island. Here is the Ginkgo tree lane. This lane is famous for proposals and pre-wedding pictorials. And on that note, here's one for the gram. And of course, Wanderers, if you're a K-drama fan like me, no visit would be complete without spending time at the most famous K-drama filming spots here in the island. Our visit here in Namison was truly a magical experience for Nico and I. Medyo nabitin kami sa half-day, Wanderers, kaya we suggest you spend the whole day here para mas ma-enjoy nyo yung visit nyo dito sa island. Time to head on to our next stop! And a few minutes away from Nami Island is the Garden of the Morning Calm. Grabe, Wanderers, sobrang relaxing dito. This place is a perfect destination if you want a calming retreat away from the busy city of Seoul. Sobrang laki ng garden na to, Wanderers. And it is filled with vibrant trees, fresh flowers, and lovely structures. Look at these beautiful flowers, Wanderers. If you are a sucker for nature and blooms like me, I suggest you put this place on your list of must visits. I can't believe a place like this exists just outside Seoul. Our visit here at the Garden of the Morning Calm was the perfect way to end the day. that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for
And
watching.
kung nag-enjoy kayo,
Please do subscribe to our channel
give us a thumbs up
and hit that bell for more of our adventures
and misadventures as we discover
and wonder. Bye!